Yo, welcome back to another video guys, and my name is Malinda. If you are new around here, I'm a personal trainer at a gym called Kaizen Fitness in Sri Lanka. I post health, fitness and lifestyle vlogs on my channel, so if you think that you would be interested in those kinds of videos, hit the subscribe button and join the family. So I'm sure you guys have come across a video somewhere or post on your social media platforms where people speak, including myself, because I do post that type of content, where you need to be staying fit and healthy during your time at home, during a lockdown, wherever you may be. And it's easy for us to say this because we have the access to dumbbells and all these pieces of equipment to stay healthy and lift weights. But for some people it may not be that easy, because lifting weights at home, buying that equipment is not affordable for all. So because they may have to be investing in other things like groceries and things for the family, so it may not seem plausible for them to do that. Therefore, I'm going to be giving you 3 pieces of equipment that are affordable and that you can buy and work out at home and stay fit during a lockdown.
So the first piece of equipment that you could use is a skipping rope.
So having a skipping rope is a perfect piece of equipment to have if you are on a budget. And 3 benefits that I found of having a skipping rope is that I can take it around with me anywhere I go, and it doesn't take up much space in my bag or even in my room. I have a large bit of space in my room, but it didn't take up even a little bit of that because I hang it from a light bulb. But I can also hang it on my clothes rack, I can put it into a box that I have, so it doesn't take up much space. The second benefit is that it has helped me really improve my cardiovascular activity. Because I wasn't the greatest when it came to my cardio, but doing continuous skipping, it helped me improve that. The third one is that I've noticed if I'm short for time, if I need to do a quick workout, something that I can finish off in 30 minutes or less and want to burn a significant amount of calories, skipping really helped me do that. So roughly around 15 to 20 minutes will get you about 200 to 300 calories. Now, if you're wondering what the price of these skipping ropes are, if you want to go for a slightly more cheaper but still afford a good quality one, you can get it for around 1,500 or plus. If you want to get a heavy duty one, something a bit more like steel like the one I have, it will cost you around 2,800. Now I'll be leaving the links to all the places where you can get these skipping ropes from in the description, so you can check it out there.
The second piece of equipment that you can use at home, which is affordable, is a resistance band.
If you want to build strength while also losing fat at the same time, resistance bands is a great piece of equipment to have, especially if you are at home and on a budget. Now the first reason for it is that it gives you greater core activation through the full range of motion during a workout. Whereas in a barbell or dumbbell workout, the resistance tends to deviate on your core. Whereas with resistance, you have to constantly keep your core activated to ensure your body doesn't get pulled by the resistance band. The second reason is that it puts the same, if not more, resistance on your muscles than a dumbbell or barbell would. Now let's take a bicep curl for instance, right? When you curl a dumbbell up, there is pressure on your wrist joints and your elbow joints. Now if you do not have strength in either one of these joints, you are more or less going to injure yourself. With a resistance band, the pressure on these 2 points is far less and the resistance is more on your muscle, which means you'll be able to build the muscle that you are trying to target, which is your bicep, and you'll also be able to help strengthen your wrist and your elbows, so that when you do get the opportunity to work out in a gym and use free weights, you will have far greater strength in all of these muscles. Now, I'm not saying if you were to do this for a long period of time and you do feel like you have great strength, to go do like 15-20 kg dumbbell curls. Start off easy and then move on to even heavier weights. So like with the skipping ropes, I will be placing the links to where you can buy the resistance bands as well in the description, and you can see with over here the prices of what I found on the internet. So your third piece of equipment that you can use, and something you've had for a long time, is body weight. With COVID, there have been so many body weight workouts that have been released onto the internet, onto YouTube, onto Instagram, any social media platform. So if you can't buy a skipping rope, if you cannot buy resistance bands, your body weight is more than enough for you to start off and just even stay healthy even for a little bit of time until you have the money or are able to purchase these pieces of equipment. Now, if you want to mix up body weight workouts with a skipping exercise, you are more than welcome to do that as well. It's a good way of keeping things interesting while you're doing a skipping rope exercise. But body weight workouts are a good way of staying healthy to build your endurance, your muscle endurance, because it may look just like you're just doing a normal body weight workout, but if you actually do body weight workouts, you actually build endurance for your muscles to do these workouts for longer periods of time without tiring out. Please let me know in the comment section below. If you have any feedback on how I can improve my videos, also let me know in the comments. Till then, like, subscribe, share this with your friends and help me grow this channel. And I can only get better from the feedback and by you guys helping me grow as well. So till then, peace.